everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing amazing in your life. Well, you are here for the very first time. Let me tell you a bit about me. My name is Ansli Karke and I'm from Pithoragarh. I have created this channel to learn this language and to build my confidence. So, it's Sunday today. Of course, favorite day of everyone. So, today we have decided something different, something interesting, and we are heading out right now. We are in market and we are going somewhere. I will not tell you right now because it's a secret and I want to keep it as a secret, or I would say I don't want to let the cat come out of the bag. So you have to wait, but surely you will get to know where we are going and what we are planning for today. One thing I want to clear that this vlog is going to be amazing vlog for you and you will enjoy a lot with me. So I would say it's a blend of travel, exploring something, or many more. So are you excited? Believe me, I am buzzing, totally buzzing, and with that, my daughter. Are you happy? Are you excited? Are you buzzing? Yes. Yes. Are you? Yes, she is so excited. So let's head out from market. We are in market actually right now because we have to buy some stuff. Once that done, we will head from here to our destination and it's going to be beautiful vlog for you. So stay tuned till last. Here our journey started. Let's enjoy the beautiful scene of nature and the beautiful way to our destination. So just look at, we are stuck in traffic, but lucky we are.
किसने खोल रखा है?
Not me. This is by Anubha. So while life is just of 2 days, I feel centuries are enough for love. So why I wanna ask to God, bless us with some more precious time. Why the life is of 2 days, I feel centuries are not enough for enjoying the life and love. I wanna ask to God, bless us with more moment, just to enjoy the love, just to enjoy my love. So guys, we are about to reach. No, are we about to reach? Yeah. No, we have to go 2 to 3 kilometers more. Yeah, we have to go 2 to 3 kilometers more. So let's enjoy the beautiful 5 kilometer. Yes, we have to move from right now. From here, we have to move 5 kilometers more to reach our beautiful destination. But I will not tell you where we are going. You have to wait for that. Just enjoy the beautiful and mesmerizing beauty of our Mother Nature. The place we are heading today is literally so beautiful, surrounded by the beautiful oak trees and some cedar trees. And I'm sure the beauty of the forest of this place may steal your heart. Guys, we are on the halfway of Abbot Mount. Abbot Mount is a tourism place, famous tourism place I would say, of our locality, and we have been here a number of times. Today we decided to visit here again, and we have decided that we'll have cooking here, and we'll spend time in the lap of nature. But as we reached at the halfway, we came to know that Abbot Mount is closed today and we are not allowed to go inside. So we are so sad now. But don't worry, we will manage to go somewhere. We will have definitely cooking. Not here, maybe at some other place. Just look at the beautiful beauty around me. Isn't it so breathtaking? Absolutely, it's so beautiful, so stunning view. Just look at the tall oak trees behind me. This forest is actually so dense, so deep, but fully covered with nature's beauty. So we are a bit scary and excited also. So it's a mixed kind of feeling. This the nearby of this place is known by what Pichu? Raikot? Yes, Raikot. So we are at Raikot, I would say. As we came to know that Abbot Mount is closed today, all our excitement, all our happiness just screwed up. Just look at the tall and beautiful evergreen trees of oak. Aren't they so beautiful? Just look at there. This forest is so dense, so deep, and it's fully breathtaking view today. We are going back from here. As you know, all our plan is just screwed up. So, darling, how are you feeling now? Good. He feels good every time. No matter how the time is going on. He feels good. That's lovely thing about him. Anu, where are you today?
Picnic.
At picnic. And she was saying in morning,
Anu ka photo
please Papa, take me to picnic today. So, and we also decided that we will also indulge ourselves with the nature's beauty. But I can't tell you what's going with us. Actually, we are unable to understand what is going with us, what we have planned, and what is going on. What is going on is totally different as we thought, as we planned. Actually, God's plan is always different. Today, we planned that we will have a lot of fun in the forest, but as we were about to reach Abbot Mount, we came to know that that is closed, and we came back from there. We have decided to visit somewhere else, and as we were going, our vehicle's brake were not working properly, and it's our good luck that our car stopped in front of auto service. How lucky we are. And that's the lovely thing about God. He arranged this thing for us, He managed this thing for us, He planned this thing for us. So I would say today we had a clothes save. Actually, we had. Right now, our car is being repaired, and we are sitting. What we can do, we have to manage. If it done soon, so we'll go from here somewhere. Otherwise, maybe we have to go home. I mean, to a room. Let's see what happens. But we are so nervous. So nervous. We were so excited for this Sunday, and more excited about the picnic. Just look at this, guys. This is brake disc bed, and it was not working properly, making strange sound. Now they are changing these disc bed. Puchu, take it. Dear husband, take it. I don't have words to express what's going with us. Since 11 o'clock, we have been wandering here and there to find a perfect place to have cooking. And finally, we got a perfect place here. You can see. But our stove is not working. And it's 2:30, more than 2:30. now we have to go back from here because we have no choice. We have decided that we will make pulao here, and for that all the ingredients we were getting: paneer, peach, onion, garlic, okay, and pulao masala, everything. But everything is just ruined. What happened? Guys, how lucky we are. How unlucky we are, guys. What happened?
कुछ नहीं चलो चलते हैं
Guys, first we visited to Abbott Mount. That was closed. After that, our vehicles brake were not working, and now finally everything is settled. When everything is settled, we came here for cooking, and our stove is not working. What to say? It's all our fault. It's all our fault. I avoid junk food, but today I have to manage with this.
कहाँ यार
It's law.
खाने के लिए नया नीचे फेंक दिया है
We have nothing to eat. We bought some chips packets, some kurkure packets, and my daughter ate up that all. We don't have anything to eat and anything to cook. Just licking our fingers. And I can't tell you, we are really starving.
एप्पल मांगो दो
Anu, pass me that apple, please. Our preparation were full, guys, but our luck is not good today.
हो गया यार
Whatever.
कुछ नहीं अब चलते हैं यार
Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I can't tell you.
बैठ जाओ
What happened, Anu?
हाँ मैं बैठ रहा हूँ
We have only an
गिरेंगे।
apple to eat. Anu, you come here. Are you sitting there? Come from here. Now we are going back, guys. It's over.
यहीं से लपका
It's over, guys. It's over. Picnic is over. We enjoyed a lot, and we can never forget this day in our life. This entire day, actually. This day, we want to enjoy this day so nicely. We have decided so many things, but it's a surprise from this day to us. Surprise. This day was full of surprises for us. Oh my god, guys. We visited so many places. We are laughing just because we are starving. And you can see there. You can see there. Anu? Anu? How are you feeling today? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy here? How was your picnic? He actually she gave us idea to have picnic. We have nothing to eat. Today we realized one thing, that we should not plan anything. We should not don't plan anything because God is planning for us, and what He plans for us, that is the best. That is the best, actually. Even thinking about all making me go bananas. So yes, we are going back, and it will take 1 hour approx to reach at the room. But we will have something to eat if we find a good hotel. Let's see what happens, because today's day is full of surprises for us, and these surprises are not actually good, but yes, we cannot forget this day. Another travel is lies ahead. Just look at their long queue of vehicles. We are stuck in a jam. Oh my god, guys, totally hectic day. But thinking about everything, or thinking about all, make me go bananas. Get something to eat.
ये वाली सारी लोहाघाट उठा के जा रही है, यहाँ पर नहीं जा रही है, लेकिन जाम इस शादी में लगा।
So guys, we are stuck in a jam and we have no idea. We have no idea. But she is fine. She is enjoying a lot in car, if we are out, and if we are running here and there. She is enjoying a lot. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? What happened? What happened? It is often called that whatever happens for a reason, but I don't understand why this happens. What is good behind it? Only the laughter. There was traffic on that road, so we are going from this one. We wandered a lot, but finally we are at Market of Lohaghat. Right now we are sitting inside Urvi restaurant. Yes, we are sitting by the table waiting for our food, and this is what God planned for us today. Now we get to know what actually God planned for us today. This, we planned to eat pulao, but He planned dosa, plain dosa, masala dosa, momo, and what? Chole rice. Yes, this is what God planned us for today. So we are inside Urvi, one of the most famous restaurant in Lohaghat. It's 3:30 right now, and we are starving so much. We are just waiting for our order, sitting by the table, and look at our faces. You can just imagine seeing our faces, how exhausted we are today, and how much we were traveling all day long. And here comes plain thali, momos, and this is for Anuba. And we are waiting for dosa, masala dosa and plain dosa. We have ordered both, but this one is so tasty. Too tasty. Because we are feeling hungry now, that's why. Eating plain rice. It's so delicious. After all, we know that hunger makes every meal so delicious. doesn't it? Now here goes momos. I avoid these kind of food items, but today I'm enjoying. I thought this day will be a blend of travel, beauty, exploration, so many things, but this day was only a blend of. Okay. Bless you. So guys, here comes our masala dosa. How is the taste? Not so good. So this is dosa, and I dipped this piece of dosa with nariyal chutney, coconut chutney. Not so tasty. I want to try with sambar.
सांभर मस्त सब्जी भी है।
Yes, we can say not so tasty, average. Finally we had something to eat. Now we are feeling much better. We were starving and now something good inside our stomach and we are feeling better.
Yes.
Are you? Yes, we are feeling better, and the food which they served was so spicy. Chola rice was tasty. I talk about dosa and momos. That was spicy but not tasty.
ये बोतल का है।
So I would say okay type.
बोतल का है।
So it's 4 in this evening and
इस पर ढक्कन लगा फिर रखो।
we are getting late. So let's
पानी है इसमें।
go back. I hope you enjoyed this video, this funny video. So we'll meet you soon with a new vlog. Till then, keep watching our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.